My mama told me that she proud of me. See all this effort, nothing better than that recognition. She know I'm special from the womb, she knew I had a spark.
What it do, YouTube? We back with another video. You already know who it is. It's your boy 345 to Shine. Trying out my little new camera setup, man. Little new camera setup. I'll take a little drive, give y'all a little POV, maybe a couple pulls, nothing too crazy. See how this little camera work is, or a camera holder, whatever you want to call it, work. It's supposed to be some newer technology where it'll follow you and shit like that. You know, different objects and stuff, and kind of got like a little motorized stand or whatever. These motherfuckers take too long. Gas right now is crazy. $5 and like 5 cents a gallon right now. I can't bear this. It's crazy. Monday, like 70 degrees. My Jeep says 73. 70 degrees outside. I was gonna go downtown, get a lot of reels, different pictures and content. I'm gonna just wait till this weekend. Fuck it. I'm like, fuck it. I ain't gonna just be a little $100 in gas. I'll burn this weekend, though. That's even a lot of money. Yeah. Get on out here. You know, everybody with that damn bridge that got hit by that damn cargo ship. Don't nobody go slow over the bridge no more. Close this damn sunroof. Close that damn sunroof. Tripping. Man, it's a little funky, huh? It's supposed to be stable and like keep the balance on its own type of deal. I don't know, this motherfucker just moved everywhere in every different direction. I don't know. I'm trying to learn it. Really like my first time using it. So I guess it was a learning curve. My other little camera setup I used, it was just like a stable handheld. I would use it and it would just, you know, just be straight. I just had to mainly twist it forward or tilt it back or something like that. Nothing too crazy. We'll probably link up with the guys this weekend. Probably do another POV or add it to this one. What the hell is this truck doing? Bro, regular, like pedestrian society, they see anything they think is fast, they get trying to race you, do all type of shit, and it's always the Nissans or something. And I'm not trying to race you, bro, I promise I'm not. Make it to my destination and be cool. I'll do all the other shit when it's time for it. And they say they're gonna make this a damn toll road. I sure hope they don't make this no damn toll road, even though it's I-80 is one of the biggest highways in the United States, and 55 that is. They're talking about making 80 a toll road once they do finish all this construction. I know once I get a chance, I'm getting right past them. Guess I'm gonna cut up a little bit for y'all, nothing too crazy. Don't do too much, let the pipes growl a little bit. This dude look like he got wood and shit sticking all out of the back. It's hanging all loose. I'd be pissed that shit come out and hit my damn car. Then we got the semi truck on the side. He tweaking. He can't even go nowhere. Damn. Get away from his ass. Somebody kicking up rocks. Hate that shit. Man, I tell you, boy. Listen, beware before y'all get these vehicles. Cause man, I tell you, you're gonna drink gas like it's nobody's fucking business. I probably get like 13 miles per gallon in this damn thing. That's fucking terrible. I put gas in here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, every fucking day. Every fucking day. I'm gonna have to give me a little beater or something. Drive around in and shit. I definitely plan on buying a second vehicle. I shouldn't have sold my Camaro, but I definitely plan on buying a second vehicle. Just take my time with it. I ain't gonna rush it. I kind of already got in mind what I'm gonna get, but we'll see. Y'all will know once I officially made that purchase. Hell yeah. Bro need to get out the way. Gotta keep going. Easy work. Easy work. Man, this thing is fun as hell to drive. It's hard to keep your foot out of the tank. I'm gonna just be real. It is extremely hard to keep your foot out of the tank, just because of the power that it has, you know. I hear them pipes growl. I do all type of shit just to hear the pipes growl. Every tunnel I go in, I'm punching it. Make noise all through the tunnel and shit. I'm loving it. Definitely loving it. Gotta keep going. This dude. I feel like this damn Jeep is a magnet to everything and everybody. It's like I'll park in the parking lot, park far as hell, don't matter. Somebody park next to me. You know what I'm saying? I'll be driving in traffic. I had a right of way, don't matter. Somebody finna pull in front of you. You know what I'm saying? This is crazy. Can't stay away from no damn body. I never knew or never thought about like what comes with starting YouTube. I did it out of the love, motivation, you know, to be fun, to be creative. And it came with a lot more than just that. It should come with hate. It should come with love too, but it come with a lot of opinions, negativity. You gotta be ready to be able to withstand all that. But regardless of whatever is said or whatever's going on around me, I'm happy with what I got. Happy the direction I'm going. I'm happy with the build. It's not finished, but we are making progress. Summer coming up. You know, I'm gonna get out here and have some fun, create some different experiences. I definitely plan on also taking some road trips this summer. Give y'all a little POV of that. Give y'all some insight on that. I'm gonna bring multiple things to this channel. I'm not just gonna completely just show this Jeep. I'm not completely just gonna show the cars that's around me. I'm also show kind of a little bit of a lifestyle in a way as well. So I hope y'all like that kind of content. I hope y'all stick around, view that. Also, let me know what y'all think. Good, bad, the ugly. You know, give me y'all input. But I'm gonna take a little trip, probably the guys and us, and do a different things, man. No, I missed the trip when everybody went down to, where they go to Houston, went to Texas for the little Mopar Fest. I missed that, but I'll be down there next year for sure. I'll make sure I'm ready with it. Everywhere you go in Illinois, there's fucking road construction. You can't, and there's always road construction at that. Every fucking where you go is just, I just don't understand, bro. They repair the roads, and being with the weather and all the salt and ice and semis coming through, they fuck the road up again and again and again. Like, this is a revolving door. These construction companies, bro, they love this shit. I know they making a killer. I know they making a killer. Oh, they making a killer. Oh my God. Just living on their damn brakes. I hope it's something actually up here to be braking for. If it ain't, you gonna irritate me. Gotta keep going. Y'all already see what I was listening to. Big Scar. Bro was nice for real. I don't know if y'all fuck with him, but I definitely fucked with him. R.I.P. Big Scar. Ain't nothing but a little light cruise. I ain't gonna do too much. Show y'all what's going on. I got the Jeep all cleaned up. looking good. Got it shining in here. Windows clean. Door panels clean. I got the WeatherTech floor mats in here that say Grand Cherokee. All type of shit. Big ass roof. Big roof. Big moon roof. Oh shit. I gotta get over. I'm gonna make my way over. Oh, this is where all the traffic at. The fuck these dudes do? What they do, crash? What the fuck y'all got going on? This idiot? Hurry up and get out the damn way. Man, bro, I don't understand. That's why I be having so much damn road rage. People stupid. People are stupid. I don't know, man. I hope y'all ain't get a headache and get all annoyed with this damn camera. I'm still learning it. How to control it and shit like that. It's supposed to be stable and still on its own. I'm moving it back and forth, trying to keep it stable or learn it. But yeah, little POV. I'll just tap in with y'all in a minute. Yeah. Peace.